So, I'm going to show you guys how to play without the remote. Since I actually didn't get one, I learned how to play, so. It has to be on mix, which is in the middle. The middle button. Look, I'll open the curtains a little bit more so you guys can see.
What you doing?
Mix is in the middle right there, see? And then put play. Okay, so.
What's that?
So. Look.
Kitten.
Kitten. Okay, cover its eyes with your hand and say, peekaboo! Peekaboo!
I can't see you.
Peekaboo!
Where'd you go?
Peekaboo! Okay, and now I'm gonna show you guys how to play
I
this.
see you.
I see you too. When you turn it around, you go like this, and there's a button on its head, which you could press, and it'll make a sound. So,
How you doing?
I taught a new word. So,
Pretty bird.
Oh, you got it now?
okay. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Yes, you are. You're hungry? I guess it's not hungry right now. Are you hungry?
Good night.
Wake up.
Hi there.
Hi. Want to play peekaboo? Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Feed me.
Okay, so that's it for today. And please like and subscribe below.